Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 10 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for today is something related to a sport. And I went outside of the box and I'm using this number 1 because in the sports you always have the little foam finger saying we're number 1. The next one is a gate or fence, and I've got this little picture and there's a fence right behind this little girl. A line of poetry or a song. I've got this sticker that says beauty is truth, truth beauty. It's ode on a Grecian urn by John Keats. I did my term paper my senior year on John Keats. Numbers, we've got these. I got an old sticky note. And our bonus is something that starts with the letter C, and I'm doing one of my altered playing cards. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP10. I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished project. I hope you like it. If you do like it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I've got my something related to sport, and that's our number 1. A gate or a fence. We've got this fence. A line of poetry or a song. I've got this, beauty is truth, truth beauty from John Keats. I've got an old sticky note, and I've got something that starts with the letter C, and that's my altered playing card. And I've also got my numbers. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP10 to see what everyone else has made. I am blown away by the talent that I see in this challenge. So y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.